Okay, we have seen this profile update. Well, the user can change or can update their username, email, first name, last name, everything. So I think it's not a good practice to allow user to change their or to update their username or email address. Well, this email address is good because first we do not have that capability, but now it's good to allow the user not to change this username. Okay, so let's see how we can change that. Okay, we have seen this view and we have a form here. Okay, let's create a form here, profile form. Well, in the profile forms we have the forms model form. Okay, we have a class meta and the model will be user. Do we have the user here or not? Well, we do not have the user. From Django, from Django dot contrib.auth models import user. So later we will change this user which we have from the this Django contrib and all that. We will use some other kind of user which we can have the profile, we can have separately the email and everything, but for now we will use this. Okay, the model is user and there is some other thing fields. Well, let's see here the view. We had something here fields. Okay, I want to cut this and I use the fields here. Okay, well, username, email, first name, last name. Okay, here we want to use this form class will be I want to import from forms. We have article form and profile form. Okay, I want to paste from here because I should not make any mistake here, and this is it. So we have this. Okay, now let's see either it works or not. We have the server and what happens? Okay, I refresh. Okay, everything works the same. Math. Okay, when I update, it will be updated. Okay, everything is working. Up until now we have done nothing like very useful. We have only read the fields from here, from form. Okay, now we do something like we want to have the init class, init function or method. We can say that we have the arguments. Well, I should not have this bracket. Okay, arguments and keyword arguments. Okay, then we will super this, and the super we will add this form and self. Okay, then we will have this init method, and with this init method we will have the arguments and keyword. I think we have added some extra thing. Not it's extra. One bracket is extra. Keyword arguments. Okay, now let's see here. I want to use this kind of method like self.fields username dot, the username will be dot disable, it is disabled will be true. Okay, so the username is disabled. Let's see either it is working or not. Let's refresh this. It's not working. Okay, instead of this disabled, disabled. Now let's refresh. It works. Well, the username cannot be changed. The same thing I want to do for, well, email. So when I refresh, so the email is also, well, cannot be changed. Okay, we have here something helping text, like the text can be helped. Like I want to have here one more thing. So here I will have help text. So instead of this help text, for example, I want to have hello. When I refresh, you can see here hello. Now if I want to have nothing here, okay, I will add this thing, none. Okay, nothing can be shown here. For example, nothing is shown here. So you can add other helping text or text for help, and I have changed this. Okay, now let's see, this is active user. Now let's log out, and I want to log in as well, admin or super user. When I log in as super user, it's very bad, because even the super user cannot change their email and password or username. Now how we can have this capability to change it? Okay, here we have the profile. In the profile we need the user. Okay, in the form we need the user, means we do not have now the user. How we can get the user, and then we will change something, or then we will have that, well, condition. Okay, in the profile you have seen here. So you can see here in article update we had something like well, this method. Okay, this method means it will take the user. Okay, the same thing we will add it here. Okay, well, I've added the same thing. Now we have taken the, well, the user, and add init method I want to take the user. User will be, well, keyword arguments and pop user. Okay, the same thing we had here as well. Okay, we have taken the same thing here. So now everything else is same. And how we can have that condition? This help text is something which, well, not needed much more, or it should be, means none to everything, every user. If not user dot s super user. Okay, we have this condition. If not user is super user, means if it is active user, then, well, this should be true. If it is super user, well, ignore then these things. The super user can change everything. Okay, now let's refresh. So it is super user. Okay, the super user can change admin 1. Okay, the super user can change, well, means update the profile without any restriction. So let's log out, and let's see as active user. In profile, so as an active user, I cannot change the username and email address.